because hopefully makapasok tayo sa Korea immigration. Like, it's my first time in Korea, guys. And I feel like
standing or going to lavatories at this time. Pamoy nakakaramdam ng pag-alog ng aeroplano. Mangyari po lamang manatili nakaupo at nakakabit ang seat.
so we are almost landed na. That much. Oh my god, guys! I arrived in Korea. Hindi ako makapag-maniwala, guys. Oh my god! Oh my god! Hi guys! I'm here na in Korea. Hala! Oh. Okay, so let's get my luggage, guys. Oh my goodness, nakalanding na ako, guys, sa Korea! Oh my god, ang ganda! A lot of K-drama. Hi guys! So magtutour tayo dito sa Korea. So I'm here in the building and I'm going out to see what's outside. So stay tuned! Hi guys, so this is Unreal. I am outside and I'm in Korea and this is the background. It's so nice guys in here. There's no people, like all of them are sleeping already and I don't know kung saan sila. So ito yung Korea guys. My first time here and as I can say that this is very unreal and it's really nice. So yes! So, naglakad-lakad lang ako dito guys sa Korea and I don't know where to go but tingnan ko lang kung ano yung mas dito, mas magandang lugar. Oh my god, para tong zombie apocalypse guys. Walang tao guys. Saan yung mga tao guys? Dito lang ako guys. So, oh, there's 7-Eleven. I need to go to 7-Eleven to buy adapter for my charger because iba yung charger nila guys. So I need to go there to get the charger. Oh my god, parang hingal ako guys. Hindi ko alam bakit. So I'm going to 7-Eleven. This is the 7-Eleven. So good luck to me. Parang sarado ata. Hindi ko alam. Is it closed? Ah, it's already closed guys. So I need to go back because it's closed na. Nakakatakot dito guys. Ako lang mag-isa. Uwi na lang ako. Kasi wala akong kasama. Oh my god. Parang delikado dito mag-isa guys. So I'm going back to my apartment. Oh my god. To go inside. I don't have any jacket. Wala akong jacket, guys. Ang ginaw, guys. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow kasi walang tao. Tapos, sarado yung mga tindahan. Sarado yung 7-Eleven. So, wala talaga. So, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!